How to get Dragon Age the Veilguard Deluxe Edition for free tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Dragon Age the Veilguard is launching soon, and I know many of you are excited to get your hands on the Deluxe Edition. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get it for free. That's right, absolutely free! The Deluxe Edition comes with exclusive cosmetics and early access, so you don't want to miss out. Let's get started. Right now, I'm on my Steam page where I'm redeeming a game code to unlock Dragon Age the Veilguard Deluxe Edition. But the best part? This works on all platforms. Whether you play on Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, or the EA Store, you can unlock it for free. Let me walk you through the steps. Now, to get your own free code, all you need is a smartphone. I'm using an Apple phone, but don't worry, this works for both Apple and Android users. First, we're going to open your browser and head to the website fundzap.com, and that's fundzap.com. FundsZap is one of the best sites for getting free game codes and exclusive offers. I check this site regularly, and they're always adding new codes, but these offers tend to disappear quickly, so you've got to act fast. When you get to FunZap, you'll see Dragon Age the Veilguard Deluxe Edition featured prominently. If it's not right on the homepage, simply use the search bar and type in the game name. You'll find two versions of the game, the Standard Edition and the Deluxe Edition. You want to go for the Deluxe Edition because it includes all the bonus content and rare cosmetics. Click on the Deluxe Edition link. Now, when you click on the game, you'll see that the code is currently locked. But don't worry, unlocking it is super easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. To unlock the code, you'll need to complete two simple tasks. These are all real apps that you can download from the App Store or Google Play Store. Each task will ask you to either download an app or complete a simple goal in the app. Let's start with the first task. Here, it says that we need to play a game and reach level 3. I'll show you how to complete that in just a few minutes. As the app installs, let's move on to the second task. This one asks you to run an app for 30 seconds. If you already have the app on your phone, make sure you delete it first and reinstall it. This ensures the task will register. Once both apps are installed, you'll need to complete the required actions, and in this case, getting to level 3 in the first game and just running the second app for a bit. All right, now that I've completed the tasks, I'll head back to the FunZap page. As you can see, the game code is now unlocked, and I'm going to hit the unlock code button. Here it is, the 15-digit code for Dragon Age, the Veilguard Deluxe Edition. Now, all you need to do is copy this code. Take this code to your platform, whether it's Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, or the EA Store, and paste it in the Redeem section. You've now unlocked the Deluxe Edition of Dragon Age for free. Enjoy the game. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you get your free game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. And if you get the game, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Until next time, enjoy your free game, and I'll see you in the next video.
I'm about to go off like a weapon, fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession, I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex, haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test.